Hey, hope you're doing okay. This should be a review for some of y'all, especially that did the assignments before the raised grades were out there last marking period, but we're going to be foiling and simplifying exponents. So FOIL, we've got to multiply first, then the outside, then the last term. So we're just going to do the first term at first, 2x times 4x. We got 2 times 2 is, 2 times 4 is 8, x times x is x squared. That's the first terms. Then outside terms, 2x times positive 1, 2x. And then the inside terms, negative 3 times 4x. We got negative 12x. And then the last terms, negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. We're always going to look to combine like terms. So x squares go together, x's go together, any numbers go together. If you got some letters in there, we just put the common terms together. So final answer, we got 8x squared, 2x minus 12x, that's negative 10x minus 3. That's it. All right, we're doing the same thing if it's a little bit messy with some weird letters in here. We've got first letter times another letter. You just leave it as it is. So 3az. Outside, 3 times 4 is 12. We still got the a. The inside, negative z times z, that's negative z squared. And then last is negative z times 4 is negative 4z. This time, I don't see any like terms. There's nothing that we combine, so we're just going to leave it like that. All right, reviewing these because they're on the practice problems, which I need you to do at the bottom of the document. Exponents. If you multiply with the same exponent, we're going to add them across top. So I got 5 of them plus 2, that's 7. And then 7 plus 8, there are 15 A's altogether. So if you're multiplying, you're going to add the exponents together. If you're dividing, you're going to subtract the exponents. So 7 minus 5, that means we got 2 up top. And this time 2 minus 9, that's negative 7. If you got a negative exponent, it means it's in the wrong spot. So this is actually going to be in the bottom. There's more of them in the bottom, so it's going to stay in the bottom. 2 minus 9 is negative 7. We got 7 of them on the bottom. Same as if we wrote out all of these on the top, wrote them all out on the bottom, and crossed them out. We'd be left with 2 on the top and 7 on the bottom. 2 A's on the top and 7 B's on the bottom. Like I talked about negative exponents, this just means it's in the wrong spot. So this needs to go down here. This needs to go up here. So these two are actually in the bottom, means I've got 3 altogether in the bottom. 2 plus 1, there's 3 on the bottom. And there's 4 of them there in the wrong spot. They should actually be up top. So we got 3 to start with, plus 4 more. That makes 7 B's all together. And lastly, over here, if we raise it to an exponent, everything is being raised. This is basically like it says 2x squared y cubed. If we square that, it means we're multiplying it by itself, 2x squared y cubed. And what's essentially going to happen is I'm raising 2 squared. That's 2 times 2, that's 4. X squared squared means x squared times x squared, that's x to the 4th. And we've got y cubed squared. So that's y cubed times y cubed. There are 6 of them. It's like we multiplied 3 times 2. So if you got an exponent to an exponent, it's like we're multiplying. Or you can think about it as writing it out like this. Y cubed times y cubed is 6 of them altogether, y to the 6th. So if I went too fast, slow it down, rewind the video, ask me questions, and I will see y'all soon. Miss you. Hope you're staying safe. Eat some yummy food and watch Dr. Stone because it's really good. See y'all.